I never said that I had it all figured out. I never said that I live my days without doubt. I swear, all I've ever done was be honest and stay modest. So this is a sincere, unscripted, unwritten for all that you've given, forgiven. I'm driven. I wanna be better than I was, better than I am. So I say, all I'm trying to say is I thank you.
Thank you, Jeff. We appreciate you for
Everything
together. We
In
can't
other words,
do it.
Jeff is like an awesome instructor. I would say from all of us, like Jeff was like the best there is, the best there was, and the best there ever will. And like 2 months ago, neither one of us would ever known each other until those 2 months. Now we all like know each other, and we're like actually very happy that Jeff has taught us everything that we know. And me personally, I have actually the classmates to help to thank for helping me out on some of the stuff that I had trouble with in class. If it wasn't for Jeff and them, probably still suck at some stuff.
Thanks, Jeff. Thank you.
Good morning, students. It's a blessing to be here this morning and to leave words of encouragement with you. Keep moving forward. Pursue your goals. Become who you desire to become. I will be looking forward to hearing from you guys in the future that you're working on your RN's degree, whatever it is that you have purposed in your heart and in your plans, your goals to achieve. Stay in touch with me and remember, next level. Bye.